Me? Put your arms down. Face me. Put your arms down your sides. You take remove your hat for me. All right. Have you been under the care of a doctor in the last 24 hours? Have you been under the care of a dentist in the last 24 hours? Yep. Okay. Do you have any medical conditions that I need to be aware of that would stop you from doing any balancing? How much have you had to drink today? Alright, why don't you step out for me?
I'm gonna cut the airbag.
Got it. You have an ID on you? Where's your, hey, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Are you hurt at all? Do you need any rescue? Any medical?
No.
Okay.
Do you want my ID?
If you got ID, that'd be great.
No.
Where are you coming from?
My sponsor meeting?
Your sponsor meeting?
Yeah.
Where was that at?
I don't know many sponsor meetings that you get drunk at.
How much have you had to drink today?
Nothing.
You haven't had anything to drink?
No.
Any drugs?
No.
No?
You can have that back.
You don't know where your sponsor meeting was at?
It was at the Hometown Cafe.
Hometown Cafe?
Yeah.
Where's that located at?
In Greenville.
This way?
Well, wherever Greenville is.
Your sponsor meeting was at the Hometown Cafe in Green Bay.
Yeah.
Okay. Why were you coming from this way then?
Well, I'm going to my next meeting.
Where's your next meeting at?
The bridge.
The bridge?
Yeah.
Okay. How much you had to drink today? You haven't had anything?
No.
Alright, because I could smell it coming off your breath.
No, I didn't. I wish I did.
Let's take it in. As soon as you're done here, show it.
Let's do
All
this.
right, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm perfectly
All right, so-
fine. I'm like, I know. Like, you want to just, like,
What?
bust me for something.
Oh, well, you got into 2 accidents.
I do.
And then you left the scene of one. The accident off of County Road C, where you backed into somebody when you left. Yeah, that's why we're here. And then you ran over the roundabout. You went over the center of it. Do you know where you are right now?
I don't know where I am.
Okay, where are you heading?
I'm just going to my meeting.
You're going to your meeting? I thought you said you were coming from your meeting.
Well, no. I mean, I met with my sponsor, and now I have to go to my meeting.
Okay, where's your meeting at?
The bridge.
The bridge?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Where the bridge is.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
The bridge.
Where's the bridge?
Oh, it's over, please, don't make me, like, halfway.
Well, I'm just trying to get some clarification on where you're coming from, where you're going, simple
That's where
questions.
I'm going.
Okay. I've never heard of the
If
bridge.
you want to like meet me go there, like I can help you find the way.
Okay. I've just never been there, so I was just asking because I've never heard
Yeah,
of it.
that's
So.
what I'm doing.
Okay. So, are you willing to do any field sobriety testing for me today
What?
to make sure that you're safe to drive? I believe that you may be under the influence of alcohol or narcotics. So, are you willing to do some field sobriety testing for me today?
I mean, if you want me to, I can. But I mean, the reality is like that's where I'm going and that's where I'm going to be.
Okay, I understand that. So, if you do some field sobriety testing for me and we determine that you're okay to drive and that we can get you there, then we'll absolutely do that. But because you got into an accident, you ran over a roundabout and you crashed a car.
What do you mean?
You don't know that you were just involved in an accident?
I really do.
Hey, why don't you step around here and see the front of your car, just so you can observe that you were actually in fact in an accident.
My husband's gonna come.
And you're unstable on your feet. I believe that you're under the influence of alcohol or narcotics.
And my husband.
Do some field sobriety testing for me. Field sobriety tests. Okay. You understand on this side?
Yep.
All right, go ahead, stand right here. Face me. Put your arms down. Face me. Put your arms down to your sides. You take remove your hat for me. All right, have you been under the care of a doctor in the last 24 hours? Have you been under the care of a dentist in the last 24 hours? Yep. Okay. Do you have any medical conditions that I need to be aware of that would stop you from doing any balancing tests or eye tests?
Hit out of baseball. Should be doing fields.
No? Okay. Alright, so what I need you to do is stand with your heels and toes together, arms down at your sides. Stay in that position until I instruct you to do otherwise. Do you understand? Okay, when I start the test, what I need you to do is follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand those instructions? Okay, don't move your head, okay? Follow with your eyes and your eyes only. Keep your arms at your sides, please. Keep your arms at your sides, please. Okay, again, follow with your eyes and your eyes only. You're moving your head, okay? All right, do you understand the instructions, ma'am?
Okay, I'm.
Alright. You want to try again?
Yeah.
Okay. So, when I tell you to move your eyes only, that means move your eyes. Do not do this with your head, okay? So again, arms at your sides, feet together. Okay, again, you're moving your head. And you just move your eyes, that's it. Alright, we're doing cannot complete. Alright, so the next test that I'm going to conduct is called the walk and turn. Okay? So what I need you to do, stand with your heels and toes together, arms down at your sides, don't move from that position until I instruct you to do otherwise. Do you understand? Okay, can you, we're going to need, let's go ahead and back up a couple feet.
Let's back up. Right there is good.
Alright. So what I need you to do is imagine that there's a straight line going from your left foot. We're not going to be able to do it.
Just want
Alright.
ABT.
That. We're not going to be able to do fields. So, alright, go ahead, turn around. Put your arms behind your back.
Why?
You're under arrest for suppression of operating while
Don't
it's-
fight. Don't
Wait,
relax.
time
Don't
out.
fight. Don't
Relax.
fight.
No.
Relax.
No.
I think so.
No.
I-
Time out.
We're gonna
Don't
add
fight.
on charges.
Don't fight.
Don't resist. We're gonna add on charges.
That works. Miller was
Don't resist the law enforcement.
Time out.
Should be number 2.
Like, I know my husband.
But if it is drug, Miller found you need the argument. She can't even stand.
No, I can.
Oh, yeah.
My husband's a firefighter.
Okay. Good for him.
Right. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, hurt me? Anything on your person? I'm going to pat you down. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick me, poke me, hurt me? Okay. I'm not being frickish. I've been very kind to you.
No, like, why is this an issue? Like,
Well, because I believe that you are intoxicated.
no, I'm not.
I'm assuming this is the key to the car.
Yeah.
I don't know if Toe's gonna want it. I'll keep it with the car.
This is.
Just so you know, ma'am, this ring fell off your finger, okay? I'm going to put it in this bag. It's going to hang out with this deputy here, okay?
My husband will confess.
Your hat's up there.
Did anybody go over and say anything?
What in the world? Why are you doing
Female
this?
deputies.
Like, why is this an issue?
Why is this an issue?
Yeah.
Well, because we believe you're driving under the influence.
No, I'm
That's
not.
not okay.
I'm not okay.
Well, ma'am, I can smell intoxicants coming off.
No.
And you
No,
can
I'm
barely
totally
stand.
fine. No, I'm totally fine.
Go ahead, take a seat.
I'm totally fine.
You're not, ma'am.
No,
You're not totally fine at all. You very easily could have gotten into an accident and killed somebody today.
No.
Absolutely.
I'm just.
I see the cop.
Yeah, I'm gonna be getting this. I'll talk to you in a second.